So the carbontator on this has just been giving me fits. So I took it off and got to looking. Let's see how worn out that hole for that shaft is. Just from years of use. Basically all that's doing is a variable air leak, which definitely isn't adding to this carburetor's integrity. So I was thinking about it, and you can go get bushings and spend money or whatever. And then I was walking through the house the other night and got this stuck in my foot. Old 22 long rifle. And I got to looking. And I mean, it's gone forever now. So, knock that roll pin out of there. Unscrew that screw and it should slide out. Here's the shaft. As you can see, it's quite worn. Now, there's already a bush of some sort in there, but I took my shell, and I mean, you couldn't ask. I mean, it's like it's made for it as far as fitting it. And then you pop it out. Take the shaft just to see. And I mean, it's snug because that end needs cleaned out, but it's like it was made for it. By all regards, this carburetor's pretty much junk anyway. I hate this style with this damn flow through, with the donut float. Every one of these I've ever messed with has just been difficult. 22 long rifle for the win. It's either this or car antenna. I'm gonna have to take that ridge off there. And then this was my instrument of choice for cutting the tip of the shell off. It needs a little more cleaning up, but it ended up with that. Like I said, it fits in there like it was made for it. So got some 220 grit, just put the plane in there. Gentle. Cleaned up all right. Now I'm gonna have to slide this shell all the way down this thing to get to that side, and it is tight, and I don't want it to get stuck. So we're gonna put this guy in the freezer. There it is. I'm gonna quit while I'm ahead as far as that roll pin hole. There's enough of it where it ought to be bushed up. It's not perfect by any means, but it's snug. So it's gonna be a lot better than it was.